All right. 4 to go. Here we go. Box 7. All right. Good luck, everybody. Cowboys, Jason Witten. Now I'm going to Ted. Bengals, rookie Dan Herron. Rookie autograph going to Robert. Number 234 out of 299. And for the Saints, Drew Brees. That one going to Bill. Redskins, Pierre Garcon. Going to Joseph. Throwback for the Raiders, Jim Plunkett, jersey patch. The Raiders going to Greg B. Numbered 195 out of 199. And again for the Raiders, Carson Palmer. Going to Greg. Seahawks, Marshawn Lynch. Going to Mike. We have a quad patch. Very nice. This one, Andrew Luck, Justin Blackman, Kobe Fleener, and Trent Richardson. Top of the left, we'll go to the Colts. That one going to Joseph R. These patches look pretty nice. Hopefully this is a lower numbered one. Got stitching on both the Luck and the Richardson. And three colors on the Blackman and 2 on the Fleener. And this one is a short print, numbered 5 out of 25. Very nice hit, Joseph. And for the Patriots, Tom Brady going to Bill. Giants, Mod Bradshaw. That one going to Val. Another one for the Dolphins, Michael Agnew, triple patch with an autograph. Going to Jaime. Jaime cleaning up. This one numbered 1. What do we got here? 189 out of 599. And for the Redskins, Santana Moss going to Joseph. Broncos, Willis McGahee. That one going to Ben. Packers, rookie auto, Mark Tyler. That one also going to Ben, numbered 162 out of 399. And for the Lions, Ndamukong Suh going to Tim. I think that's our third one of those. For the Jags, Blaine Gabbert. That one going to Ian. Colts rookie, Vic Ballard. Very nice. Going to Joseph. This one number 371 out of 399. And for the Cowboys, Des Bryant going to Tad. Saints, Marquez Colston. That one going to Bill. Giants, David Wilson, triple patch with an autograph. Another one, very cool. That one going to Val. And this one numbered 122 out of 499. And you're getting the next one too. Giants of Victor Cruz. Rams is Steven Jackson. That one going to Eli. Bills, Stephen Gilmore. That one going to Joseph. This one numbered 419 out of 699. And Vikings, Christian Ponder. Going to Jaime. 2 to go in box 7. Bears, Matt Forte. Going to James. Rams, Isaiah Peed, rookie patch. That one going to Eli. This one numbered 984 out of 249. And for the Seahawks, Sidney Rice. Last pack, box 7. Steelers, Big Ben Roethlisberger. Going to William. Titans, rookie receiver, Kendall Wright. I'm going to Greg. Nice looking jersey patch, numbered 131, 249. And for the Panthers, Steve Smith. That one going to Bob S. One sec while we save that one.